Hello, in this tutorial we want to solve 9 to the power of 2x plus 3 to the power of 2x minus 6 equals to 0. First, we write 9 as 3 raised to power 2, and that is raised to power of 2x, plus 3 raised to power 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Now for exponents and powers, when we have a to the power of b all to the power of c, it is the same thing as a to the power of c raised to the power of b. So we are going to apply that on 3 raised to power 2 raised to power 2x to give us 3 raised to power 2x to the power of 2 when we change the exponents, plus 3 raised to power 2x minus 6 equals to 0. The next is the transformation of variables, where we let 3 to the power of 2x be equal to m, so that the equation is written as m squared plus m minus 6 equals to 0, reducing it to quadratic equation. And the factors of negative 6 that will give plus 1 are minus 2 and plus 3, so that the quadratic equation factors as m minus 2 multiplying m plus 3 equals to 0. This means that m minus 2 is 0 or m plus 3 is 0. Then m can either be 2 or m could be negative 3. Remember that from here, we have said 3 to the power of 2x is m. So we are going to look at this in two ways. First, when m is 2, and when m is negative 3. Starting with the second one, when m is negative 3, if we put 3 to the power of 2x equals to negative 3, this is inadmissible as there is no negative in log. So this is no real solution. Then our attention switch to when m is 2. And this means that 3 raised to power 2x is 2. And taking the logarithm of both sides, we have the logarithm of 3 to the power of 2x equals to 2 to logarithm of 2, where 2x times the logarithm of 3 will be equal to the logarithm of 2. And from here, 2x is going to be the logarithm of 2 divided by the logarithm of 3. Dividing both sides by 2, we have x to be the logarithm of 2 over the logarithm of 3 divided by 2, which can be written as 1 over 2 times the logarithm of 2 over the logarithm of 3. We can leave the answer in this form, or if we find the actual values of the logarithm of 2 and the logarithm of 3, x is going to be approximately 0.315. You can leave your thoughts and questions in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We look to having more of you. Thank you.